Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect multiple data sources in Looker Studio, step by step, beginner friendly, and updated for 2026. If you're managing data from different platforms and want a single dashboard to visualize everything, this guide is exactly what you need. First, open Looker Studio in your browser and sign in with your Google account. From the home screen, click Create, then choose Report. This opens a blank canvas where your combined data will appear. Start by connecting your first data source. Click Add Data, choose a source like Google Sheets, GA4, or Google Ads, select the account or file, and click Add to Report. This sets up the first layer of your data. Next, connect additional data sources. Click Resource, then Manage Added Data Sources and select Add a Data Source. Repeat the process for each platform you want to include. For example, one for website analytics, another for ad performance, and another for sales data. Once all sources are connected, you can combine them using blended data. Click Add a Chart, then select Blend Data. Choose dimensions and metrics from your connected sources. For instance, you can combine sessions from GA4 with revenue from Google Sheets to see performance in one chart. So yeah, it's very powerful. Now, create visualizations, use tables, bar charts, or line charts to display the blended data. Add scorecards for high-level metrics across sources. This gives a comprehensive view of your business or project. Make your report interactive by adding date range controls and filters. This allows viewers to explore each data source individually or together without editing the report. Finally, clean up your layout. Align charts, resize elements, and add titles for clarity. Click View to preview the report, then click Share to give access to your team or clients. And that's how to connect multiple data sources in Looker Studio in 2026. Simple, flexible, and powerful. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.